Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to open our browser. In my case, it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of all previously visited websites. As you can see, my list is not so wide, and if you want to, you can remove all of them one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. But you will if you want to remove actually everything, then you will have to do it manually one by one, so it may be quite difficult and time consuming if this list is so wide in your case. But if you'd like to remove all of them with only one click, just tap on clear browsing data here. And as you can see, we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got browsing history, so the list we just saw, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So as you can see, a lot of browsing data. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it will be marked. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see, we just got back to the history. Here we had the list of visited websites, so we did not only remove it, but also the autofill from data, for example. So actually, that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.